Alright guys, I'm sitting in my truck because there's so much noise in the house. It's raining. I needed a quiet spot to film, so I was like, why not sit in my truck, which has all kinds of packages in it from us picking up another pallet. But the reason for this video today is do you have a death pile? Just saying. Do you got a death pile? Do you got a pile that's setting high? Are your eBay sales low? Would you like to make eBay sales from your cell phone? Maybe you're out to dinner with some friends, or you're at work and you have a couple minutes on your phone. I'm going to show you what you can do on your mobile device, your smartphone. Alright? I'm going to show you exactly what to do where you can renew your sales from your smartphone. And we'll just go from there. Alright guys, so you're at your eBay place, right? So you want to click on selling, then you want to go to active, you're going to go to sort, ending soonest. Alright, from there, so we're going to click on this Reebok. Let's see here, December 27, 2019. So this was last year. So what you're going to do is you're going to hit end listing and go with the first one. The start of the price, reserve price was incorrect. Always go with the first one. It's easier. And then from there, hit relist this item. And just check it. I like to try to make that as many specifics as can. Make that circle as full as possible. So just, scroll back through it. Let's see here. Logo. Lining material. Theme. Fabric type, soft shell, performance activity, running and jogging. Sure. You go back up. And it looks like we need one more. So there, no more buyers. See that? You always want that circle right there with that lightning in there. You always want it full. Anyhow, so now, moving on. Get out of there. Go down. All the pricing looks good. Everything looks good. And you just list your item. Now, if you were to do this on your computer, it'll take you... You have to unlist it, and then you have to go to a whole separate page. We did that in, 5 seconds? You can do that waiting for your coffee at the coffee house. You can do that waiting for your spaghetti at the Olive Garden. You know what I mean? Like I said, you go to end listing. The start price or reserve price is incorrect. And then go to relist this item. You're like, well, you can do this one fast. And you'll just scroll all the way back down. List your item. Done. Alright, so, that's pretty easy. Yep, now you can see now I'm in my garage. I'm just going where it's quiet, guys. It started pouring down rain in my truck, so I just had to leave the truck. But if you do that, and you say you have 100 listings, if you try to do 5 or 6 of those a day, or actually, to be 100% honest with you, I do about 10 a day. And when I was doing that, I went from 3 or 4 sales a day to, I'm selling stuff. We just emptied everything just the other day, and we shipped out 25 items. That was just in the Open Road store, not counting the items we had in the Aussie's Odds End store. But with that said, I just thought I would make this quick video. This is very convenient stuff. It will help you grow on your eBay. It'll keep your eBay active, because eBay eBay wants you to be active. So the more you show you're active, you might not have stuff to list, or you might not have time to list your death pile. But you know what? If you have time to look at Facebook and see what Chuck and Larry are doing, or see what Susie and Barbara are doing, or whatever, you have time to open your eBay, find an item, end that listing, relist it, boom. You can do 10 items in 10 minutes, technically. So I showed you how to do it. There's some free knowledge right there, so you just need to go on and do that when you have a death pile of stuff and you don't have nothing else to do. So thanks for watching. As always, subscribe, like, comment below, and check out the next video that's coming up, which is going to be, if you watched the last video about the $6 bins, and you're probably waiting to watch the Goodwill video, well, that video is coming up soon. I'm still in the process of editing it, but I just wanted to make this quick video because it's a quick tip. Thank you guys. Have a great day, and always subscribe.